first graders, and welcome to our first phonics video. Today you're going to be learning a new special sound. We're going to talk about contractions, reviewing those. We are going to review when we change our Y to an I, and we're also going to go over phonics chart 13. So let's do that first, since that's what we always do first during phonics class. I'm going to pull this up here so you can see it better. All right, I'm going to grab my pointer. Okay. Now, I hope you say this with me at home while we do it here in class. Ready? Full and beautiful, F-U-L. Air and care, A-R-E. Ton and mountain, T-A-I-N. You're and pure, U-R-E. Sure and pasture, T-U-R-E. War and warm, W-A-R. Shun and nation, T-I-O-N. Shun and missionary, S-I-O-N. Jun and television, S-I-O-N. Make sure your teeth kind of tickle when you say jeune. A and 8, E-I-G-H. In sailor, O-R. In dollar, A-R. I in crystal, Y. Air and cherry, E-R-R. Pull this back. Today we're going to learn the new special sound, war and worm, W-A-R. It's like you're saying the word war, like fighting a war, but it's a special sound, war and warm, W-A-R. I have some words on the back of the card. The first word says warning. Can you find the special sound of the word warning? I hope you found two of them. We have war and warm, W-A-R, and ing, in, pointing, I-N-G. We also have a root word and a suffix. Warn is the root word, and ing and pointing, I-N-G, is the suffix. Let's do one more. Let's do this one right here. This word. Can you read this word by yourself at home? This word says award. We have the prefix a in asleep, A, and ward. We have word and warm, W-A-R, and the word is award. So once again, say this special sound with me at home, boys and girls. Word and warm, W-A-R. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to review contractions. We've already learned this at school, but we're going to go over them again today. Remember, a contraction is just a shorter way of writing two words. We can take two words and put them together into one word. Now, there's something very important in a contraction, and it's this little symbol right here that you see in each one of these contractions. Do you remember what that's called? I hope you said apostrophe. An apostrophe represents letters that are missing. So whenever you see an apostrophe, that means there must be one or more letters missing from the word when it was divided, or before it was broken down into a contraction when it was two words. Well, let's match these together. I'm gonna grab a piece of chalk. Read this with me, boys and girls. You will. What is the contraction for you will? Well, which one over here looks kind of like the word you? Well, right here's the word you and two L's, so we must be missing the W and I. So you'll is the contraction for you will. Let's look at the next one. We are. Do you see one over here that looks like we are? I hope you found this one. Do you know which letter is missing in the contraction that the apostrophe is standing for? It is the letter A in R. So the contraction for we are is we're. Let's do the next one. Did not. Anybody see the contraction for did not? Look right here. This is the word did. And we have N apostrophe T. The O is the missing letter after the N. So didn't is did not. This one says they have. We have two contractions left. We know it's not going to be this one because they does not start with a capital I. So it must be they. The apostrophe represents that the H and the A are missing. They have is they've. The last one is I am, and it has to be I'm. I'm is a contraction for I am. The A is a letter that is missing right here where the apostrophe goes. All All right, the next thing we're going to talk about is changing Y to an I. Remember, boys and girls, when the root word ends with a Y and you're adding a suffix that starts with an E, you have to change your Y to an I before you can add your suffix. So let's do that together right here. I have the word happy. I want to add ER. It ends with a Y and the suffix starts with an E. So I have to change my Y to an I. So I'm going to write H-A-P-P. I'm not going to write my Y. Remember, I'm changing it to an I and then adding my suffix ER. So I have made the word happy, happier. Now I need to add EST. Once again, the root word ends with a Y and I am adding a suffix that starts with an E. So I have to change my Y to an I. So let's write the word happiest. H-A-P-P. Well, don't write the Y. Remember, I changed my Y to an I and add E-S-T. I have now changed the word happy to the word happiest. All right. Once again, let's review our special sound we learned today. It is war and warm, W-A-R. I hope you are enjoying the warm weather we've been having and hope you've been able to play outside at home some, and hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, and I can't wait to see you in our next video.